looking to make money on the side? Dreaming of a life where you can earn without being shackled to a 9-to-5 schedule? Well, there's a world where that is not just a dream, but a very achievable reality. Welcome to the journey of a successful affiliate marketer. Welcome to the ultimate affiliate marketing community platform, a vibrant and supportive space that is home to over 2.6 million active affiliates. From those taking their first steps into the world of affiliate marketing to experts who have been in the game for years, our community is a melting pot of ideas, strategies, and shared successes. The journey to becoming a successful affiliate marketer starts with learning. Our platform is a treasure trove of knowledge filled with top trending strategies in affiliate marketing. Here you can learn from the experts, collaborate with educated peers, and dive deep into every aspect of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not just about making money, it's about promoting products and services you believe in. It's about connecting people to the things they need. And the best part, earning juicy commissions straight into your bank account in the process. Imagine a world where learning and earning go hand in hand. A world where you can create a passive income stream, providing you with the financial freedom to live life on your terms. That's the world of affiliate marketing. So are you ready to start your journey? To step into a world where you can earn on your terms, promoting products you believe in? The time is now. This is your call to action. Join our community today. Start your journey into the realm of affiliate marketing the right way. Tap into the power of a supportive and knowledgeable community, and open the door to a world where making money on the side is not just a dream, but an achievable reality. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. Welcome to your future.